Hi everyone, this is Kadox. Thank you for visiting my channel, and for those who not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for more videos. And today's video is about how you can see on YouTube Studio who unsubscribed to your channel. So come on, let's start. Put up your panel, then tap your data or on your data, then you must have load balance, then go to your web browser or whatever browser you have on your phone or your mobile phone, then tap search box or search engine, then type S, and you see here the Google suggestion YouTube Studio. Then if you don't have that, then you can type it manually and we will direct to this site, and scroll this up to see recent subscribers. So here you can see all below, then tap it and we will go to this site of your YouTube Studio subscribers. So here you can see nice last 90 days. So we will going to put it on lifetime or 365, or you can put it whatever you want, or days you have to see what you want to see. Then here we have date subscribe, date they are subscribed to us, then their subscriber count and their action. So you can see your subscriber here if they are on public, but if they are on private, you cannot see them on this on this subscriber site on your studio. So from here we're going to find who unsubscribed to my channel or to your channel. You can do this by watching my video on your own, and if you can't find, just scroll up and tap the arrow to find who unsubscribed to your channel. So from here I find adult only TV, so he subscribed April 24, 2020, and he also unsubscribed to my channel. So that's it guys. I hope this video will help you, and for your comments and suggestions, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to on my channel, and thank you for watching.